Oi, mate. You want a Slim Jim? Here you go. Fucking animal. Holy Christ. What are you doing, mate?
Open up.
I can hear the Febreze.
Open up.
Oh my god, I can smell it now. How much are you using? You're gonna kill me. This is banned from the Geneva Convention, don't you know? Thank you for the Slim Jim back, though.
I have a peace offering.
What's your peace offering?
I have a peace offering you will accept.
Sure.
You need to open up.
Oh, that's not.
There we go.
Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Is that a Tide Pod? Damn, I love those. Oh, God, it smells like. Oh, my God, the carpet's fucking wet. Oh, my God, it's soaked. Oh, my God. Is this covered in Febreze, too? It's all wet and slimy, bro. What have you done? Oh, my God. You can have it. Oh, my God. I'm gonna tell him we don't need carpet cleaners then. Oh, my fucking animal. Oh, mate. Have you ever considered a ukulele? It'd kind of go with the theme of the Hawaiian shit you spread everywhere.